brought 2 volunteers into the Brainiac lab.
How you doing, all right?
They've been told they're going to take part in an experiment, but we haven't told them what it's going to be about. First, their watches come off. We want them to have no measure of how long the experiment runs.
Go off that way.
Now we take them off to separate rooms. Gavin will be staying in this half of the lab. He'll be here for 30 minutes. And we've got him some potatoes to peel.
Peel them.
Meanwhile, Norman will be staying in this half of the lab. He'll also be here for 30 minutes, but he'll be doing lots of much nicer things. Starting with a tasty steak dinner from Tasty Loretta.
Steak and chips, sir.
At the end of the experiment, we're going to ask them how long they think it took. That way, we'll be able to see if time really does fly when you're having fun.
German, Dutch or Italian lager, sir?
Italian, please.
On this side of the room, Gavin has finished peeling his bag of potatoes. So here's a few more for him.
Peel them.
Meanwhile, over in the other side, we've racked up the balls lined up for Norman and brought on a hand-picked opponent.
Your break, big boy.
Albert Einstein, in his theory of relativity, said, "An hour in the company of a pretty girl seems like a minute. A minute before a hot stove seems like an hour." That sounds a bit like guesswork to us, so unlike Einstein, we're doing a proper scientific study.
Well done.
Psychologists believe that if we're involved in, for instance, a boring activity, then we think more about the time that is passing by. And hence, it seems as though the clock is ticking more slowly.
Lie down, please.
On the other hand, when we're involved in fun activities, our mind is in a state of arousal, and the part of the brain which views the passage of time gets distracted. That's why your holidays seem to pass quickly.
The experiment is over. Please stand up.
Okay, their 30 minutes is up. Now, the crucial question. How long do they think the experiment took? If time really does fly when you're having fun, then Norman, who had a great time, should estimate the whole thing took less than half an hour.
Around 20 minutes.
You're free to go.
Gavin, who had less fun, should guess it took more.
40 minutes.
Thanks.
So there you are. Conclusive proof. Time really does fly when you're having fun. By 33%.